Hello, everyone. Artificial intelligence, AI. It's a term we hear constantly. It's not just science fiction anymore. It's woven into the fabric of our daily lives and transforming industries at an incredible pace. But what is AI, really? And what does its rise mean for us? Today, I want to demystify AI by exploring 5 essential aspects: what it is and aims to do, how it's used today, its potential benefits, the challenges it presents, and what the future might hold. Understanding these is key to navigating the AI revolution responsibly. Defining AI and its goals. So, what is artificial intelligence? At its core, AI is a field of computer science focused on building machines that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence. Think about learning from experience, understanding language, recognizing patterns, solving problems, and making decisions. Multiple experts define it slightly differently. Some focus on replicating human thinking, others on rational acting. Some highlight its ability to handle massive amounts of data beyond human capacity, while others emphasize its role in making predictions or recommendations that influence our world. But essentially, they all point to creating systems that can perceive, reason, learn, and act intelligently. And what are the goals? They are ambitious and diverse. Fundamentally, AI aims to solve real-world problems. It seeks to automate repetitive tasks, enhance human decision-making with data-driven insights, foster innovation, and even, in the long run, create systems with human-like cognitive abilities. The overarching theme is leveraging machine intelligence to augment our own capabilities. AI in practice. Today, AI isn't just theoretical, it's already here, working often unseen. You interact with it daily, through voice assistants on your phone, recommendation engines on Netflix or Amazon suggesting what you might like, spam filters cleaning your inbox, and mapping apps guiding you home. Beyond our personal devices, AI is a powerhouse in industry. In manufacturing, smart robots use computer vision to inspect products for defects. In healthcare, AI analyzes medical images to help detect diseases earlier and is accelerating the discovery of new drugs. Financial institutions use it to detect fraudulent transactions and manage risk. Cybersecurity systems employ AI to constantly monitor networks for threats. Even government agencies use AI to analyze vast amounts of information or counter disinformation. From translating languages instantly to optimizing complex logistics, AI is actively reshaping how work gets done. Unlocking potential, benefits, and opportunities. The potential benefits of AI are immense. One of the biggest is automation. AI can handle tedious, repetitive tasks, both digital, like data entry, and physical, like warehouse stocking. This frees up human workers to focus on more complex, creative, and strategic activities. AI also promises greater accuracy and efficiency. By removing human error from certain processes and processing information far faster than we can, AI leads to better insights and more reliable outcomes, whether in data analysis or manufacturing. This speed enables faster, more informed decision-making. Furthermore, AI systems can operate 24/7, providing continuous service or monitoring. It's accelerating research and development in fields like medicine and materials science. It enables incredible personalization, tailoring experiences and content to individual users. And in dangerous environments, AI-powered robots can perform tasks that pose risks to humans. Ultimately, AI offers powerful tools to tackle complex global challenges, from climate change to disease outbreaks. Navigating the challenges, risks, and ethics. However, with great potential comes significant challenges and ethical considerations. We must develop and deploy AI responsibly. A major concern is bias. AI systems learn from data, and if that data reflects societal biases, the AI can inherit and even amplify them, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes in areas like hiring, loan applications, or law enforcement. Ensuring fairness is critical. Then there's the black box problem. Some complex AI models make decisions in ways that are difficult for humans to understand. This lack of transparency can be problematic when we need accountability, like in medical diagnoses or legal settings. Privacy and security are paramount. AI often requires vast amounts of data, raising questions about how personal information is collected, used, and protected. And of course, there's the potential impact on employment. While AI creates new jobs, automation driven by AI will undoubtedly displace workers in certain sectors, requiring societal adaptation and workforce retraining. Finally, as AI becomes more autonomous, questions arise about control, accountability, and ensuring alignment.